Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Instinct 2X Solar and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's find the Garmin Connect icon. Once you find it, tap on it to enter or rather open the application. After the application opens, tap on More, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices, and here you should see your Instinct 2X Solar on the list of devices. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on Remove Device, and tap on Yes. Once you see this pop-up, you can tap on Close this up, open the settings on your iPhone. Here, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. Then tap on the info icon next to Instinct 2X Solar. Then tap on Forget this device and tap on Forget device to disconnect it. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.